In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the Chime app if it's not working. We all rely on apps like Chime for quick and easy access to our financial information, so it's frustrating when they don't work as expected. But don't worry, I'm here to help you troubleshoot and get back on track. The first thing we need to do is check your internet connection. Sometimes the issue isn't with the app itself, but rather with the connectivity. Make sure you're connected to either Wi-Fi or mobile data. A weak or unstable connection can often be the culprit behind apps not functioning properly. Once you've confirmed a stable internet connection, the next step is to open either the App Store on an iPhone or the Google Play Store on an Android device. You'll want to see if there's an update available for the Chime app. Developers frequently release updates to fix bugs and improve performance, so keeping your app up to date is crucial. If updating the app doesn't solve the problem, it's time to dive a little deeper into your phone's settings. Find the Chime app in your phone's settings menu. Here, you'll have the option to clear the app cache. This can often resolve issues by removing temporary files that may be causing conflicts. If you're using an iPhone, you might consider offloading the app and then reinstalling it. Offloading will remove the app, but keep its data, allowing for a fresh install without losing important information. Now that you've reinstalled the app, go ahead and open Chime to see if the issue has been resolved. In many cases, these steps will do the trick. However, if you're still experiencing problems, there's one more thing to try. Restart your phone. It might sound simple, but restarting your device can clear out any lingering glitches or processes that might be affecting the app's performance. Once your phone is back on, open Chime again and check if it's working smoothly. And that's how to fix the Chime app not working. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most issues and get back to managing your finances without any hassle. Remember, technology can be unpredictable, but with a little patience and troubleshooting, you can overcome these challenges. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.